Now, Wipro reporting its mixed set of numbers, beg your pardon, for the third quarter. Revenue and profit have come in slightly lower than analysts' expectations, but a strong show on the margins front despite salary hikes. But going forward, the tech giant has also forecasted Q4 IT services revenue growth to be at -1.5 to 0.5%. Wipro also saw a strong deal wins in the quarter gone by. Anisha once again joining us to get us a breakdown of what the numbers really look like for Wipro this past quarter. Anisha, take us through the numbers.
Well, it is a mixed bag coming in from Wipro. In terms of the weakness, the guidance for Q4 is a bit weak. Street was expecting that the guidance is going to be -1 to +1% kind of number. But the actual guidance overall, even if you look at the performance in Q3, the rupee revenue has come in slightly lower versus our expectation. But dollar revenue, decline has been stemmed. The dollar revenue has declined by just around 2.1%, which is lower than what Street was fearing. Even if you look at the constant currency decline, the decline has been arrested at 1.7% quarter on quarter. There was part of the street which was expecting a decline of as much as 3%. So not as bad a revenue performance, and that's why perhaps the base for the next quarter has also gone up, and that's why the guidance of growth in the next quarter is a little lower. In terms of the other internals, the margin for the quarter were quite strong again. We saw the margins come in at 16%. It's down only 11 basis point Q on Q. This is despite the wage hike impact that the company would have taken this quarter. Attrition has come down. The headcount decline really continues for the company. And overall, if you look at the commentary also coming out, they talk about how they are well poised regarding the growth going forward. In fact, they're saying we're starting to see early signs of a return to growth in consulting, as demonstrated by the double-digit growth in order bookings in the Capco business, and that's the underlying green shoot that the market would like. So it's a bit of a mixed bag coming in from Wipro, and I would reckon there are more positives than negatives this time.